Hello little Orbians, how are you all? Today in our maths video class, we are going to learn how to expand a number and also how to represent a 3-digit number in a spike abacus. So let us start with our first topic of the day, how to expand a number. Here we have 3-digit number. In our place value chart, we can see we first have ones grid, then we have tens column and we have your hundreds column. Last video lecture, we learned about place value and face value. So here, place value is going to play a very important role. To expand any number, we need to know the place value of a number. So here, let's see our first example. In ones place, we have the number 6. In tens place, we have the number 8. And in hundreds place, we have the number 1. So let's start expanding this number. Place value of the number 1 here is 100. So we first write the place value of each digit. Now we have our second digit, that is 8, and place value of 8 here is 80. Then we have 6 in ones room. So we will write the place value of the digit 6 as 6, and we will add all these numbers. To check, we can see 100 plus 80 is 180 plus 6 is 186. So this is how we expand any 3-digit number. Let's see our second example. Here we have the number 105. As you can see, in hundreds room, we have the number 1. So again, the place value of 1 here is 100. Second number we have in tens grid, that is 0. Now, the value of 0 in tens column will remain 0 itself. So, 100 plus 0, you may write 0, you may not write 0. It is perfectly fine. And in third grid, we have the number 5. So, place value of the number 5 is 5. Let's cross check our answer. 100 plus 0 is 100. 100 plus 5 is 105. Can you see the number here also is 105. Let's move on to our third example. Here we have the number 140. So, we have the number 1 in hundreds grid. So, again we'll write 100, the place value of number 1. Then we move on to another room, that is tens room. Here we have the number 4 in our tens room. So, the place value of the digit 4 is 40. Can you see? Here now we have 0 in our ones room. Like we had 0 in our tens group in previous example. Similarly, here we have 0 in our ones room. So, the place value of 0 is 0. So children, our next topic for the day is how to represent a 3-digit number in a spike abacus. Let us first know what is an abacus. An abacus is an instrument that is used to count a number and also to know the place value of a given digit or a number. So here you can see abacus looks like this. As we are learning to represent 3 3-digit number in a spike abacus. So we have here 3 spikes. Spike of ones, spike of tens, spike of hundreds. And children, you can see here we have hundreds, tens and ones place value chart with numbers. So let us check out with this example how to represent this number 186 in this spike abacus. Let's see. Now we have in ones place the digit 6. So here we will see this is our first spike, that is our ones spike. So in ones column we have the digit 6. So here we are going to represent the number 6 by using beads, and the number of beads will be 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's see how the digit 8 in this number is represented here in this spike abacus. So the number here we have is 8. So we will draw 8 beads here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Next we have the number 1 in our hundreds room. So only 1 is there. So only 1 bead we will be drawing here. This is how we represent a 3-digit number in a spike. Let's see our second example. Here we have number 127. So in hundreds room we have number 1. So we will draw 1 bead here. In tens room we have number 2. So we'll draw 2 beads here. And in third room, that is in ones room, we have the number 7. So here we are going to draw 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Let's move on to our third example, where we have the number 116. Here again in ones row, hundreds room we have number 1. So only 1 bead. In tens room we have again 1. But in ones room we have the digit 6. So here 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So children, this is how we represent a 3-digit number in a spike abacus. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice